Hello guys, hope everyone is fine. Stay safe, stay home. Stay safe, stay home. Wash your hands, stay clean. Here I made this video to show the information in your WordPress website about how many people are infected all over the world and how many people are infected in your country. So let's start. First, so this is the WordPress dashboard. First we have to go to the plugin. There is a plugin. There are lots of plugin, but I'm talking about the specific plugin which I like the most. So add new plugin. We are going to search the plugin name. Plugin name is coronavirus beta. It's by Duke Yen. Let's install this. It's installed. Let's activate and let's open in next tab page where you want to show the data. So we have activated coronavirus data. Let's go to the setting. So status, here is the map. If you want to show this map in your website, you can show this map in your website. So specific, let's say China. Okay, let's China. Okay, public token, we need public token to view such map in your website. For public token we have to register an account which is free. Let's do it later. First let's get some data. Let's get some data. I would like to click on plugin coronavirus data, view detail. Go to the view detail here, or you can put the short code. This plugin displays here is the short code. Continue short code COVID-19. This plugin displays the corona case data whole world and the country you are case through. So simply list I will edit later. Either you can put it by short code just by placing the short code, or else you can go through. There is a two way. You can do it by putting short code. See, update. Let's view. See, as you can see, global total cases. This deaths recovered active. This is all about the global. And today, this is about the case today, date to day, critical and affected countries. And here you can see the list of countries, cases, death and recovered. There is a list of. So I like this plugin because you can see how the latest information about the whole world and case today also. So you can see this short code COP 2019 shows this one, and COP 2019 also shows this one. And so we did it from the Elementor, but if you want to do from the editor. You can do it from here also. Here also you can paste it the code here. So now you want to show the map as I talked earlier. So if we want to show the map also in this home page, then we'll have to register an account. Let's see. Let's write Jonas email before that episode. So now we'll check the email. See, it says verify your email from the map box. So I'll verify the email. So if I verify the email, I receive the token, default public token. So copy this public token and paste it here. So, and if you want to show, suppose I would like to show the India cases, India, target India specific. I want to show the map on India, or I want to show the data of India. So let's say, or let's copy this code and paste it here. Now update. Now you will see the map and specific country data. So now you can see the map and see total in India 13,495 for India cases, updated cases, and whole country cases. And when you click, you can see the case. So I like this plugin because you can zoom it also, because here you can show the map in a map form way, and global update and specific country update. Everything you can show in this plugin. So I like this plugin. So guys, from now onwards, we are going to make some videos about the WordPress website, how we are going to make a website with free tools. So subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.